8 cheap foods to gain muscle mass. If you are looking to gain muscle mass, you know that many foods in the United States tend to be very expensive. That's why in today's video, we will show you the 15 cheapest foods you can consume to gain muscle mass quickly and in less time. The number 1 food on this list can help you gain muscle mass 10 times faster. Stay until the end so you don't miss out on this food that can transform your body. Number 8. Turkey breast, the lean protein source. Turkey breast is one of the best allies for those looking to increase muscle mass in a more affordable way. With approximately 29 g of protein per 100 g, it stands out as a lean and nutritious source that can be easily incorporated into your diet. This product typically costs around $3.50 to $5 per pound, 454 g in stores. The protein found in this food is essential for muscle building, as it provides the amino acids needed to repair and develop muscle fibers after exercise, making it a very good and cheap source for you to consume, especially after workouts. But stay until the end of this video because we will also show you the cheapest food on our list that can increase your muscle mass. So be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. But how can turkey breast increase the muscle mass in your body? By including turkey breast in your diet, you will be providing your body with the high-quality protein it needs, strengthening your muscles. This protein not only helps with recovery, but also increases protein synthesis, a crucial process for building new muscles in your body. Therefore, this protein is undoubtedly essential for muscle gain. One tip to enhance the benefits of this product is to grill the turkey breast and use it in sandwiches, salads, or as a main dish, adding more protein to your diet. Additionally, try combining it with vegetables and whole grains for a balanced and nutrient-rich meal. Number 7. Fava beans, small powers in bean form. Fava beans are often overlooked and underestimated in American cuisine, but these small beans have enormous potential when it comes to gaining muscle mass and taking care of your health. With an affordable price, fava beans stand out as an excellent source of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, such as iron and B vitamins. Containing about 26 g of protein per 100 g, they're not only nutritious, but also offer a delicate and versatile flavor. By including fava beans in your diet, you will be contributing to satiety, a fundamental aspect to avoid the excessive consumption of unhealthy foods. The feeling of being satisfied can help control calorie intake and consequently support your muscle gain goals. Furthermore, the high amount of fiber present in fava beans plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels, ensuring a gradual release of energy during and after workouts. The versatility of fava beans allows you to use them in various ways in your kitchen. When preparing them, you can add them to soups, salads, or even turn them into a delicious puree that pairs perfectly with chicken. This combination not only provides an extra dose of protein, but also enriches your meals with a variety of flavors and textures. Try using your creativity when cooking with fava beans. They can be seasoned with fresh herbs, mixed into rice dishes, or even added to a pasta dish. With so many options, you can easily incorporate these small powers in bean form into your diet in a delicious and nutritious way. Don't let fava beans remain forgotten on the shelf. Bring them to your table and enjoy all the benefits they have to offer. Number 6. Sunflower seeds, small grains, big impact. As many of you know, sunflower seeds are rich in protein, vitamin E, and minerals, making them a great option for heart health and muscle recovery without breaking the bank on products, just using more natural foods available. With approximately 21 g of protein per 100 g, they are an ideal snack for an afternoon or before going to the gym, as they are rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and improve your muscle recovery after workouts. That's why I always use them after workouts, with a nice turkey and chicken sandwich. Additionally, the healthy fats present in them can provide the energy needed for intense and long workouts, giving your body more energy to stay energized during exercises. You can also consume sunflower seeds as a snack between meals, or add them to salads and granola to increase the nutritional value of your dishes. Get creative with this food, as it can transform your body. Number 5. Lean pork, a nutritious cut. Lean pork is a fantastic source of protein, offering around 25 g per 100 g. It can be used in your diet for muscle gain but is not recommended for weight loss diets, as excessive consumption can be detrimental to your weight. However, when your goal is to gain mass, it is essential. Besides being rich in B vitamins, which are crucial for your body's energy metabolism, the protein in lean pork helps repair muscles after exercise and also contributes to building new muscle fibers, aiding in your muscle gain. Additionally, its natural creatine content can enhance performance in high-intensity and long-duration workouts. To prepare meals with this food, try grilling or roasting the pork, using seasonings to enhance the flavor of the product, but without overdoing it. Combine it with vegetables and whole grains for a complete meal. Did you know that a simple like and a comment on the video help a lot? So don't forget to leave your like and your comment. Also, share this video with more people so they can also learn about these cheaper foods for gaining muscle mass. Number 4. Ricotta, the cheese that strengthens. Ricotta is widely recognized in the United States as an excellent source of protein and calcium, making it an ideal option for those seeking muscle recovery and bone health. With about 11 g of protein per 100 g, it stands out as a healthy addition to your diet, and its accessibility makes it even easier to include in daily meals. You can easily find it in supermarkets both in the United States and the United Kingdom, making it a practical choice for many people. One of the main benefits of ricotta is its casein content, a slow-digesting protein. This characteristic is crucial as it helps provide amino acids gradually over time, which is especially beneficial for muscle recovery during the night. Consuming ricotta before bed can be an effective strategy to enhance your results, allowing your body to recover and replenish while you sleep. Thus, ricotta not only provides protein, but also contributes to restorative sleep and optimizes muscle growth. In addition to being healthy and nutritious, ricotta is incredibly versatile. It can be used in a variety of dishes, from savory plates like lasagna and pasta fillings to desserts like cakes and pies. Its creamy texture and mild flavor allow it to blend well with other ingredients, adding a special touch to your recipes. But wait! In this video, I will reveal an even cheaper and less talked about food that can boost muscle gain, helping you achieve results 10 times faster, and that many people still don't mention. Stay tuned and discover how to maximize your diet and achieve your goals in a surprising way. Number 3. Fish. Ceviche, freshness and protein. Ceviche, made with fresh fish, is a delicious and nutritious source of protein that can be an excellent addition to your diet, especially if you are focused on gaining muscle mass. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, ceviche is beneficial for cardiovascular health and plays a crucial role in muscle recovery, helping the body to recover surprisingly quickly after workouts. These fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce pain and inflammation, allowing you to maintain optimal athletic performance. The protein found in fish is of high quality, essential for building and repairing muscles. It is important to choose fish that, while being more affordable, still offer a good level of protein, such as tilapia, sardines, or mackerel. This way, you can enjoy a tasty dish without compromising your budget. Ceviche is a refreshing and light option, perfect as an appetizer or main dish, especially on hot days. To make your meal even more nutritious, you can combine it with avocado, which adds delicious creaminess and a variety of fresh vegetables like red onion, cilantro, and bell peppers, which increase the nutritional value of the dish. This combination not only provides an explosion of flavors, but also transforms ceviche into a complete meal rich in vitamins and minerals. In addition to being healthy, ceviche is extremely versatile. You can experiment with different types of fish and seasonings, creating unique versions that cater to your palate. Whether served with sweet potato chips or a slice of whole grain bread, ceviche is a tasty and effective way to incorporate protein and essential nutrients into your diet. Try this delicacy and discover how it can be a refreshing and nutritious addition to your menu. Number 2. Turkey bacon. Turkey bacon is a lean and flavorful alternative to traditional bacon, offering an excellent option for those looking to enhance their meals without compromising their diet. With a good amount of protein and significantly less fat, turkey bacon stands out as an ideal choice for those on a muscle gain diet. This meat is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy a delicious dish while still focusing on their nutritional goals. In addition to being a reasonable source of protein, turkey bacon can be a tasty and nutritious addition to your daily meals, positively contributing to your necessary protein intake. This extra protein is especially important for those looking to develop and maintain muscle mass. Turkey bacon also provides health benefits due to the nutrients present in this meat, such as B vitamins and essential minerals. You can incorporate turkey bacon in various ways into your diet. It can be used in salads, sandwiches, or as a side with eggs. Its smoky and irresistible flavor has the power to enhance any dish, providing a unique gastronomic experience. Try adding a few slices of turkey bacon to your breakfast or lunch. You will be surprised at how much this ingredient can transform your meals into healthy and delicious options. Number 1. Dried cranberries. Dried cranberries are a superfood packed with benefits, rich in antioxidants that play a fundamental role in protecting the body's cells and promoting muscle recovery. These antioxidants are essential for reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, especially after intense workouts, which can result in faster and more efficient recovery, as well as improved performance in physical activities. In addition to their powerful antioxidants, dried cranberries are also an excellent source of fiber, contributing to digestive health and helping to maintain a feeling of fullness for longer. This combination of properties makes dried cranberries a valuable addition to your diet, especially for those focused on gaining muscle mass or improving athletic performance. Incorporating dried cranberries into your meals is easy and versatile. They can be added to salads, where they provide a sweet and pleasant contrast, to oatmeal for a nutritious breakfast, or enjoyed as a healthy snack between meals. The sweet flavor and slightly chewy texture of dried cranberries can elevate any dish, making it more delicious and interesting. Additionally, dried cranberries are an affordable and practical option to enrich your diet. With their versatility and nutritional benefits, they are a smart choice for anyone looking to take care of their health without spending much. Try including them in your eating routine and discover how this small ingredient can make a big difference in your diet. Before you go, click on the video that's showing on your screen so we can continue our conversation. I'll see you there. Thank you, and don't forget to leave your like.